Received this Lenovo Y520, and as you can see there is no charging light when I try to put the charger in. Previously this laptop came to me to fix the problem with the power issue, and I had replaced the power IC. The problem was resolved. There was an issue with the charging jack. I suggested the customer to order the charging jack, and it took about 20 days to really arrive from AliExpress. And the charging jack has arrived, and now I'm going to change the charging jack, because in that meantime the laptop stopped working again. And as you can see, there there is no charging light, no power at all. When I try to press the power button, what I will do, I will just replace the charging jack first. It was loose in the first time it was loose when I was just fixing the power IC. Now now there is no light completely. I'm sure it's gonna be only the charging jack. Let's see how we can fix this issue after replacing the charging jack. I just first remove the battery, and then I'm going to take off the DC jack. Okay, I'm going to test the laptop now to see if it works. Still there is no charging light. I'll check the voltages on DC jack that it receives the voltage. Yeah, it is 20 volt and 20 volt. Just removing the battery connector, and then check it. I'm just pressing the power button now without the battery, and still the same thing. Now I'm going to check this laptop why this one is having these issues. The one thing I can do is to remove the battery cell and then try. Still the same thing. I'm pressing the power button, still the same result. Okay, in this case I'm just going to see how we can fix this issue. I will open furthermore to really go for and checking one by one. Either it has a power IC issue, it's the same one it used to be. And stay with me, I will be back. Okay, as you can see the volts are on red pin. It's 20 volts. You can check on my multimeter. This is 20 volt and 20 volts here on this MOSFET, and nothing here. The volts are missing on the gate as well, gate of this MOSFET, and I'm sure the gate is this one. I already previously changed this IC. Now the problem is same again because of this connector. We change the connector now, and to see how it goes, as you can see, this is the gate. There should be voltage around here, either side of this resistor. If I check where it is connecting, here we go. There should be voltage here, and the gate voltage should come out of this IC. I will check on this resistor if the volts are coming out. Okay, there is no volts. Here is 2.8, means this IC, I will check either this IC has got all the powers and connections. If it does, then it should take out these gate voltage to really let this MOSFET to work out. Stay with me, I will be back. Okay, I'm going to check the traces of this resistor. If it is, traces are good. As you can hear the beep, the traces are good, means this IC is not taking out volts. I'll just try to resolder this IC to really see if it works. As you can see, there are issues. I can see the joints. It may be shorting from here. This burn mark, I'm considering this one is faulty, but I will give it a try to see if I can fix this way. Otherwise, I need to order this IC. I have resoldered the IC, and after resoldering it, it does have voltages now. It is there are 25 volts here and 25 volts here, means the gate is enabled. Now the voltage will get through. I'm sure the laptop will be on now. The fans are spinning. I'll just go for the normal view and turn on turn on the laptop. I'm going to plug the charger in to see if fan spins. Okay, here we go. The laptop is on now, and you can see the voltage here is 25 volt. Let me just correct the place. Here we go. Now you can see it's 25 volts, then 25 volts here, and on the gate 25 volt, and this 20 volt should be through now. Here we go. It's 1980. This is going in, and the laptop is on. Basically, this port was the reason the first IC was damaged, and then I replaced the IC, and this time I changed this connector, and then now there was some sort of disconnection between pads. After resoldering the pads, the IC is working fine and the laptop is on. Now what I will do, I'll just take I will take the voltages of the entire motherboard, diode mode, ohms and voltages for in a separate video. At the end of this video, I will just place that video. You can go for and check the voltages of this motherboard for your problem. If if there is no if there is a different problem with your board, you can compare with my working board. I just turn on the motherboard with the screen to I just wanted to show you the display of this motherboard. As you can see, it's turned on, and now the fan spins and stop again. I'll wait for the second time restart. Yeah. Now you can see there is a display. It may gonna restart after a couple of time because the cell is not connected. Okay, here we go. Now there is a display. I will go for closing this video, and thanks for watching the video. Just check the voltages. Just check the end screen of this video to see the voltages and diode mode and ohms of this motherboard.